This is the morning after you shut down on the side of the road. This is the morning after the storm. It was almost 90 degrees temperature a few days ago. At this elevation in Idaho, can expect anything.